Hello, estimators. Today you guys know that I have started the series. For the estimation of the whole house of the unit side. Today our topic is how to calculate the tapware, any tapwares, sinks and basins. Okay, from any drawing. Okay, and know how the tapware looks like and what are the type of tapwares are there in the plan. So if you like my video, kindly like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends so that those who don't know how to calculate or do the estimation, this video will help them to reach to learn how the things goes in estimation. So let's jump to the plan. So this is the ground floor, okay, and this is the entry of the unit one, and here's the kitchen, laundry, and family. So here is the ground floor unit plan. That is you can call it like this is the ENS bed one ENS. So in this bed one ENS, you're watching. This is the basin. This is the shower area. Okay. If you can check here, we have that elevation A and elevation B for this. In elevation A, you will see that there is a mirror over here. Okay, and this is one basin. So this is the basin. It's a countertop basin, and plus there is the tapware which is floor mounted. In countertop basin, this tapware is floor mounted or either basin mounted. Okay, so in this, if you can check here, this is the basin mounted in the elevation in this view. Okay, and similarly here is a tile shower. In this tile shower you can check there is a shower, and this is the tapware for place for the shower. And for shower, it is always concealed tapwares for the showers. Okay, so here is one thing, the three things over here, that this is a countertop basin with the tapware on the basin, and here's the shower, and shower has a insert uh, tapware for like diverter and all that for this area. Now we will come to kitchen. So in this kitchen there is a double sink. Okay, here you can see this is a double sink. This is a cooktop, and here's the fridge. Okay, including joining laundry. Okay, in this laundry you have all the things. So first we go for the kitchen. In this kitchen you will see this is the if you can check, here is the double wall sink, and here is the double wall sink, and this is insect sink with two taps. Here are two taps. Okay, and it's wall mounted taps. Okay, and if you can see, here is the washing machine. In this part there is a washing machine, and here's a laundry trough. The laundry trough is basically this is the laundry trough, and here you can check, here's the kitchen, another elevation on this side. So this, that there is a cooktop and range hood and all and that. Okay, refrigerator and anything. So here you can get two tappers that are floor mounted. Okay, in this area. Okay, and so let's go to. We have done the laundry also. There is a trough, laundry trough. Okay, and um, nothing is there more than this. Now let's jump to the another floor. Go to unit one first floor. If you can check on unit one first floor, here we have, there is a small area that is powder. Okay, in this powder you have this. Okay, on the wall, this is the sink. This is the, sorry, it's not sink, it's a basin on the wall. If you can check, this basin is wall mounted basin, and this is obvious that this wall mounted basin have a tap which is also on basin mounted. Okay, so now we will go to the bath area. Okay, from here we have this path plan. Okay, is this path plan we have elevation A and elevation B in here. Elevation A show us about the tile shower and the tapware used here, and elevation B shows the this side. So if you come to this, okay, here you can see that on this there this is also a countertop basin with one uh, tapware on the basin, and here is a tile shower. Okay, this also comes in tapware when you order, and there is any mixer or diverter is also here. The pinpoint, the location for that is mentioned here. Okay, there's one more thing mentioned here, that there in this area where this bathtub has been come. Okay, this area is also have a one inset wall inset mixture. Okay, this sign shows this thing. Okay, if you can check. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now here you have calculated like how much or what type of tapware is coming where. Okay, and after that you can like, let's jump to another elevations like in the, this is the ground. Let's go to unit 2. Okay, so if we go to unit 2, so here is the unit 2. So there is a small, mm, here is the same. uh, See, this is the A and S. That means that area and this thing, okay, is matching. Okay, that is walk-in pantry area. Sorry, my bad. I don't think so. It is matching because it shows there is a whip also, but there is no whip. So this is not matching. Okay, but it's a ground floor. So you see, sometime it happens. Let's go to ground floor. Sometime it happen with me also. Okay, okay. This is the place actually. So from here you have again like this. You can check. It's a countertop basin with the, and here you will see the towel rails are also there. Okay, the mirror is also there. Okay, so you calculate the length and breadth of the mirror for if it is a like normal silver mirror. Okay, or either polished edge mirror. Okay, and this is the toilet roll holder and all of that. So here is your diverter point also marked here. Okay, and you can see that the tapware is on countertop basin. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the different places and different types of tapware to check whether they are present in your that's this on the drawing or not. Okay, like this is the trough, inside trough. Okay, laundry trough, and so that is all for today. So if you guys have some plans you want to share with me, kindly share. I will do 5 costs free of you, as you know that I want to start the another series and need the drawings for that. And kindly mention if you have any problem with my language or either my way of telling you the things. Okay, and if you like my work, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.